Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to acquire a Dropbox API key. Starting with the Dropbox API for your coding projects might feel overwhelming, but I will guide you through every step to make it simple. Whether you are building an app that needs file access or adding Dropbox features to a service, getting this key is your essential first move. Begin by heading to the Dropbox developer platform. This is a dedicated space where Dropbox offers tools, guides, and support for creators. Just visit the Dropbox DBX platform for developers page. This site is your hub for all development tasks, providing a strong set of resources for your work. Once you arrive at the homepage, sign into your account. Click the Login button to proceed. If you are already signed in through your browser, you might skip this part. For those using Google, Dropbox allows a quick sign-in. Just select Continue with Google and follow the prompts. It is a seamless way to authenticate, especially when managing several accounts. After logging in, you need to modify your browser's address bar. Change the URL to dropbox.com/developers and hit enter. This ensures you are in the correct section to start building an app, which is required for your API key. Now, find and select the Create Apps option. This will take you to a new page to start the setup. Remember, creating an app here just means setting up a project placeholder that holds your permissions and credentials. On the creation page, choose Scoped Access. This is the modern, detailed access model that lets you define exactly what your app can do, improving security for everyone. Next, pick the access level. For this guide, select Full Dropbox to allow access to all files and folders. Use this power responsibly and always respect user privacy. Now, give your project a unique name that fits your work. This helps identify it on the platform. After naming it, check the box to agree to the Dropbox API terms. Reviewing these is important for staying compliant with their rules. Once finished, click the Create App button to register your project. This officially sets everything up on Dropbox. Finally, you will be sent to the settings page. Look for and click Generate Access Token. This produces a unique code your app uses to communicate with Dropbox. Treat this token like a password, as it enables your app to function. You have now successfully navigated the developer platform and secured your API key. You are ready to integrate cloud storage into your projects. Keep security and terms in mind as you build. If you need more help, check the detailed documentation on the developer site. Good luck and happy coding!